Alright, here we are with our last homework review for the year. Can't believe it. We are solving systems of equations here. We're putting together a lot of things that we've worked on for the last 3 years. Wild ride we've been on. With number 12 and number 15, we're given a system of equations, so 2 equations where we are going to solve. We're going to find a solution that works for both equations. In number 12, we already have the second equation being solved for y. So we can go ahead and plug in what we know that y equals, which is x plus 3, in for y in our other equation. We're going to distribute that 2 and say that that becomes 2x plus 6. We can then combine our like terms. So we're combining our x's, combining our numbers. And we see that x equals 8. Now that we know that, we can go ahead and put that into our other equation. I'm going to put it into this one and very quickly find out that y equals 11. So my solution that I came up with is 8, 11. I'm going to check that in both of my original equations to make sure we're good to go. So I plug in 8, 11 here, and 8, 11 here. I get a true statement there and a true statement there, so I know that our order pair was a solution to our system of equations. Number 15, same kind of problem. Neither of these is solved for x or y, but you can see that that y does not have a coefficient. So I would choose to solve for that because that's one little step there. And then I'm going to substitute that into this equation. So 3x minus 2y equals 5. I'm taking this and putting it in for y because we know that equals y. I distribute this negative 2, don't forget that that's negative, I would get that. And then, so that's an x. Combine my like terms. And I get x equals negative 11. And I can take that and put it into my other equation here. This whiteboard seems to have it out for me today. So y plus 22, subtract 22 from both sides, and I would get y equals negative 19. So my ordered pair here is negative 11, negative 19. And I'm going to attempt to substitute that in to both of my equations. Having trouble reaching. Negative 19. So here I get 3 equals 3. Perfect. And over here, I get 5 equals 5. So I know that our order pair negative 11, negative 19 is in fact a solution to the system of equations that we were given. Down here I have problems where we're looking to see if there are an infinite number of solutions or in fact no solution. This is already solved for y, so I can go ahead and put that in for y. distribute my 3. These are going to go away. 3x minus 3x is 0. So we get 12 equals 12. That means there's an infinite number of solutions for this. Over here, we already have this equal to x, so I can go ahead and solve, or plug that in, substitute that in for x. And these are going to go away. This is not true, so there is no possible solution that I could put in for those that would make them true. That means that these are in fact parallel lines. So that's it, guys. My last mathematical words of wisdom for you. Real math words of wisdom for you would be things you've probably heard me say 1,000 times at least. Take your time, go slow, check your work, and don't make any illegal math moves. I've absolutely loved having you all, each and every one of you, all 12 of you, as math students for the last 3 years. I love you guys. Take care. Please stay in touch, and I hope to see you very soon.